Hi, I'm Sam from Cut and Grind. I'm going to be doing Charlie's beard today. Perfect, my man. So you really want to just tidy up like the back bits again around here, yeah? So those bits getting quite bad. And then, so you're happy with the length underneath, yeah?
But if it's getting
a bit wispy.
Yeah,
so and you still want it to be that sort of square shape on it, yeah? What about your moustache? Are you growing it out to be like a handlebar or anything? Or do you tidy it on the left?
But it's a slow one.
Okay, cool. Do you still want it to all be like a proper handlebar, yeah? So we can't really touch it, and if you want to do that, yeah? Is that okay? And your cheeks, do you want me to just tidy that with the trimmers? Natural, yeah? Cool. I might be able to tidy up your neck as well if you want to. I'm just going to run through it with the comb, mate. It might pull a little bit, yeah?
Nice. It works. Thank you, man. It works.
So I'm just going to take this bit down a little bit first, like so it gets it out of your ears.
No, not yet. Hopefully. Back and white a little longer for that.
Because then you've got to think where that's going to end up when you push it back down.
My older boy would really like to grow a beard, but he's about 15 years away from it. So he's obsessed about mine.
He loves it, yeah?
Yeah, well, he's growing up with it. He's growing up with it. I think I grew out first time about 15 years ago. Poor little thing. So she made me promise that I would never shave my beard off ever again. So I said yes. Sorry.
You'll close your eyes quickly, my man. Oh, it's nearly as big as mine, this, mate. What's mine look like? No, it's alright.
I'm trying a shag fold up on your face. It's just too.
I'm just going to take like the ends off it, mate, the strays, okay?
Yeah.
So because I've combed it all out now, it looks like a big cloud on his chin now, yeah?
It does. Hold on. Just look up for me, stand up for a minute.
Like,
yeah, just...
Big cloud face. Go on, you can come back down now, mate.
Alright, go on, sorry. Just had to get that big balloon.
Right. So I'm just going to come in and just take those ends off.
Sometimes I think of getting my big beard back and I'm like, oh, it's just so much nicer. It is. And flies all over the place with the wind. Some scissor work.
Yeah, just going to snip the little ends off it. Because we're not really doing that much at all with this beard. Just making it, taking all the strays off for him, aren't we, mate?
There you go.
Are you with me next one, man? Tom. Are you Tom, yeah? Wicked. Perfect. That's alright, mate, you can watch all you like. Learn how to cut hair. It's a beard, mate, isn't it?
Solid.
It's a beard. Yeah, is that beard length looking about right for you, man? Is there anything else you'd like me to do for you at all?
No, bro, it's all good.
It's okay, yeah. So it's just like a minor touch up on it.
Yeah. Are you happy? Yeah, bro, very happy.
Beardbrand is a premium men's grooming company with products not only for your beard, but also your hair and body. Do yourself a favor and head over to beardbrand.com and take care of yourself. Or you can stick around and watch a few more of our awesome videos.